Hi, I'm Gail from Our Space.
Hi, I'm Peggy from Our Space, and welcome to another one of our craft videos. And we have with us again a special friend.
Hi, my name is Ayala. What are we making today?
Today we're making leaf pals,
Ooh,
kind of cute and friendly.
They're
so
very Peggy they're friends already, I can tell. So before we get started, we're going to do a breathing exercise. And today we're going to do something called a leaf breath. And what you're going to do, because it's the beginning of fall, is we're going to breathe in, take a deep breath in, and on the way down, we're going to have you're going to exhale and the leaves are going to blow to the ground. Okay, so we're going to do this 2 times together. Ready?
Okay.
Okay, deep breath in. Exhale, fall to the ground. And one more time, deep breath in. Exhale. Okay.
Nice. I'm ready to go. So what supplies do we need?
well, we are going to need some leaves from outside, a cardboard roll, so like for toilet paper or for paper towels, some paint, markers, twigs or pipe cleaners, and some decorations.
Okay.
All
Great.
right.
So the first step that you're going to do is, and we all did this ahead of time, you're going to paint your toilet paper or paper towel roll. I cut in half a paper towel roll to be about this size. Okay. And then you can find a leaf from outside, but if you don't have a leaf from outside, you can always draw one on paper and cut it out of paper as well. Okay. So for mine, I didn't have googly eyes, so I just drew eyes on paper and cut them out. And so I'm just going to attach those to my face, and then I'm going to use a Sharpie and do the rest of the face.
Right.
You can do however you want. I'm attaching my eyes with double-sided tape.
Right. And like Gail said, you can either cut them out of paper or you can even use your markers to color them on your leaf.
I'm using pink googly eyes.
Ooh, that's cute.
Isn't that fun? I didn't know there was such a thing.
That is nice. And as
And-
always, I put eyelashes on to my eyes.
Oh, very nice.
Oh, I like that idea. Here's my face. I use googly eyes and just a
cute.
marker for the nose.
Yeah, and here's mine. And then after you've completed your face, you want to attach it onto the roll. And again, I'm going to use double-sided tape to attach it onto the roll.
Okay.
Right.
I'm gonna try double-sided tape too. I have to say, Gail, I copied your eyelashes because I like them.
Thank you. That's a big form of compliment. So here's what it'll look like once it's attached to the roll.
All right.
And so what's the next step going to be?
All right. So next we're going to use the branches or twigs rather and or pipe cleaners if that's what you have instead. We're going to use those to make the arms. So what I did was I poked holes in the side so that I can stick the twig through. But if you do want to do it that way, you might want to have a grown-up around because it's kind of hard to do. So a better way to do it or an easier way might be what Gail did, which is taping the twigs or the pipe cleaners along the back.
Yeah, I just taped it. I used masking tape. You could use any kind of tape.
Right. And I did twigs on my sample and I also poked them through. And as Ayala said, it was a little difficult, but for this one, I'm using the pipe cleaners and taping it on the back.
Great.
Great.
Gail, do you have a joke for today?
Oh, I sure do. I was about to tell it. I just want to show that I just taped these on the back, but here's how it looks on the front.
Nice.
Oh, that looks great. Yes, I do have a joke. So, what do two trees use if they want to contact each other?
What do two trees use if they want to contact each other? Idea.
I'm going to tell you. A telephone. Telephone.
Oh, no.
Second.
I needed some help with that one too.
Yes.
I did my best.
That was good.
Thank you. And
Here's
Peggy,
mine. Here's mine with the, my
cute.
leaf is flopping.
Oh.
I think I was thinking earlier, what you could do if the leaf is flopping, you could take a little twig and just tape it to here. To
And
hold
make it stand
it
up.
up,
Yeah,
or like a pipe cleaner.
that's
And
good.
what's the last step gonna be?
So the last step, which is fun, is to decorate the body. So you can use markers and just decorate. Like I think Gail
It's
did
all
like little
markers.
dots all around. I think I'm going to make some designs with a marker. If you have like scraps of material around, like I had a lot of scraps of fleece. So I put that on my.
It has like a little sweater on. I love it.
It's like a little sweater. So anything you have around the house, ribbon, pom-poms, buttons you could put on.
Yeah,
So,
really anything goes.
right, exactly.
And so I'm gonna finish mine later, but I'm gonna do a lot of polka dots on this one.
I know, I think I might do polka dots too.
I'm using some heart stickers that I have lying around.
Oh, that'll be really nice.
Yes.
And then you can just make as many as you want. Like I so far have 2 leaf pals.
I know, I am gonna do that idea of taping the twig inside.
I think
have-
it'll work.
I have 2 also.
Yeah.
And I have one, but he has a couple of friends here, so it's okay.
Good. Well, thank
We'll
you.
all be friends.
Yes, they're all friends. Thanks for coming to this video. And if you'd like to see more of our videos, you can go to our website at www.ourspacerocks.org. Happy crafting.
Bye.